We're here in Mendota, hunting with my dogs. Me, God, and the dogs. If you like, subscribe, leave a like. Got him. Got him. Broke his legs, but holy shit. One I broke his legs, other one I meant. Damn it. Oh. Oh, 2 rabbits at a time. No. I ain't got shit. Oh, I got it, see? Hey, filha da puta. Hey! Nope. 2 rabbits at a time. I have to choose one and I still missed both of them. Well, lá mais embaixo. Tá com a espiga. Hey, there it goes. Nope. Hey! 2 coelhos. The king and missus is at it again. Tá com a espiga. Hey. At least you guys get to see plenty of action. Me missing. Good job. Hey. At least you guys get to see plenty of action. Me missing. Good job. We gonna get a rabbit. One way or the other, we gonna find you. We gonna kill you. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Another one. Come on. Hey, here it comes. Hey, there it is. Son of a gun. I thought he was coming down this way. Action. Hey, here it goes. Hey, tata quail. Hey, so many freaking rabbits. I didn't even get a chance to reload. Hey, so many rabbits. Where's the one I shot? It's right there. Come on. Hey. Hey, so many quail. So many rabbits. That's my dog. Yep. That. Hey, passou à tua frente. See, got him, finally. Finally. Está cheio de coelhos. Well, you're gonna find more because it's full. Went to this side again. Damn it. Look at that. Hey, here he is. They're sneaky. This one is a tight situation right here. I got a lot of space. Nope. Here he goes down there, one. Sneaky out over there. Hey, caralho. Damn it. If I go hey, there's 2 that way. I gotta guard the right side now. I don't know I'm gonna shoot it, miss it, but holy crap. Ei, caralho! 3 coelhos para baixo. Ei, filha das putas! Nope. You sneaky bastard. Sneaky bastard, vais vão ter agora ali. Nope. Yeah. Nope. A fábrica que cartucho não vai à falência. Oh, caralho. Oh, caralho. Calm down. Holy shit. Good girls. Second rabbit right here. Here goes another one. Yep. There goes right there. Man. That's how you gut them. You shake them, and then you squeeze the guts down, and it comes out to the bottom of the rear. I don't know if you can see it then. And make sure you hide it from the dogs. That's it. When you get home, it's easier. And I would. I got 2 rabbits, 3. There it is. Three rabbits this way. All right. Let's see how many I want to kill out of those 3. There's 3 rabbits on my left side. I think you guys can see the mist is really good. They're gonna bark. And then when I reach my limit, I'm just gonna record them in action. Yep. Okay, 1 bullet, 1 rabbit. Supposed to have 3 more. Fica o espiga, fica o dedo, Varina. I guess it's coming towards me, maybe. The way the dogs are coming down. It's gonna be 3 rabbits at a time. Oh, no. Oh. I don't know if I got it. Oh. Yep, that's 3 rabbits went that way now. I think I got 1. I got 1 dead, so that's 4. Unless there's more here that I don't know. See? That's my 3rd one. I don't know, I think I shot the first one. I think I got it. Let's go check it out. There's not a rabbit in there. Yeah, I got it. He's over here, right here, look. There he goes. Son of a gun, I was dispatching this one. So I got 2 out of 4 with 3 bullets. I don't know. I guess I just got to shoot 20 bullets first. so I can relax. I got 4, one more for the limit. Good girls. It's funny. I hit the hard ones, but then I miss the easy ones. I don't know how that happens.